Dear viewers, in this video I will share how to apply the tempered glass or the screen protector for Lenovo Idea Tab Pro 12.7 inch and which screen protector is one of the best and from where do you buy this product. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. I have bought Robustrion Glass Screen Protector Pro Premium Tempered Glass from Amazon. Price was 379 rupees but it is written MRP 1499. Packaging of the product was premium and there was a sealed package you can see here. Now let's cut the seal for opening the product. Inside the box package with the tempered glass you will get the instruction manual. This is Robustrion instruction manual how to apply this. And second one is the patch installation or cleaning kit. Let's open it and let's see what are inside it. So one is dry cloth and this is the guide sticker and one dust absorber. This is the wet wipe cloth by which you can clean the surface. Two guide stickers and these three things you will get in this small package. Now let's look at the main item, that is the screen protector, and which is made up of high rigidity, wear and scratch resistant glass, and that glass has so many features like ultimate shock absorption, 9H scratch proof, precise dimensioning and enhanced anti-piercing features. For applying the tempered glass on the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, I have taken the help of a technician. You can see here. Now, technician is using wet wipe to remove all dust from the screen. He repeats this process several times, ensuring that no dust remain on the screen. Actually, this step is very vital and take time for that, otherwise there will be a bubble inside the screen protector. This process you can apply on your own according to the instruction manual, but I have not taken that risk. I have taken the assistance of the technician. After confirming the zero dust on the screen, the technician removes the bottom protective layer by pulling away the top rectangular tab here, you can see in this way with highest precaution. Now, without touching the sticky side of the protector, carefully align cutouts and edge and slowly drop the screen protector onto the screen. It is also one of the crucial steps. Do it carefully. Take time. Before dropping the screen protector onto the screen, the technician is verifying the edges of the screen protector with the edges of the tablet and with the camera cutout. The screen protector will start to adhere to the screen. If there are any bubbles, use your finger to press down and drive the bubbles out towards the closest edge. Now let's watch how the screen protector is sticking with the tablet screen and the bubbles are coming out from top to the bottom, from one edge to the remaining edge. Now the screen protector has been applied successfully. You can see here. I would request my viewers that take the help or assistance from the technician because this protector screen is bigger with respect to the smartphone, so it will be very difficult to handle. Lenovo Idea Tab does not have any screen protection inbuilt, means by default the company has not applied any screen protection, so that's why it is mandatory for the customers of Lenovo Idea Tab Pro to apply screen protector from outside. Thank you.